Welcome, kids. I am back with an experiment. So, what are we making here? We are trying to make a saturated solution. So, I am adding salt in this case to make it a saturated solution. So, let's see whether this salt mixes here. I guess you can see the salt is mixed as of now, and we cannot see any salt at the bottom of this glass. See, the salt is fully mixed in this case. Now we are gonna add one more teaspoon of salt. Now let's stir it up. So as of now you can see this solution is unsaturated because we are able to add more solute in it. Let's see if there is any salt left at the bottom. Can you see any salt which is left in the bottom? No, I cannot. So I have added 2 teaspoons. Now I am adding one more. So let's wait and watch after adding 3 teaspoons of salt in this water whether it is still unsaturated or not. Let's wait a bit more. I guess now I can see some salt at the bottom. Can you see this salt which is left at the bottom? So this was the 3rd teaspoon. Now I'm gonna add one more teaspoon in here. Let's see what happens. Remember, in the 2nd teaspoon it was totally unsaturated, but in the 3rd case हमने थोड़ा सा bottom पे इसके salt पड़ा देखा. So what happened here, it started to become saturated in the 3rd teaspoon. Let's see what happens in the 4th teaspoon. Tell me what has happened here. If you know, please comment. You can see when I have added 4th teaspoon, we can see more salt settled in the bottom. Let's focus it in here. So as of now we can clearly say that this solution has become saturated. We'll add one more teaspoon. This is the 5th teaspoon, I guess, and let's see what happens. How many teaspoons I have added as of now? I have added 5. So now you guys have to comment what happened in the each case. Let's wait so that it settles down properly. Okay, so we can see that the salt, in this case solute, we cannot add more solute in this solution. Now what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna transfer this solution in an empty glass. Why I'm doing this? So I'm doing this so that I can supersaturate it. So now after transferring this solution in this glass, obviously because I cannot heat this glass container, so I'm going to transfer this in this steel glass along with the salt present in it, and then I'm gonna heat it, and then we'll see whether we can add one more teaspoon in it or not. So you can see I have transferred it fully, and very less amount of salt is left in this glass. I have transferred the whole content in this steel glass. Now I'm gonna heat it and let's see what happens.